We are looking at chapter number 23 and question number 23 of SC Verma. Okay, an aluminium can of cylindrical shape contains 500 centimeter cube of water. The area of the inner cross section of the can is 125 centimeters square. All measurements refer to 10 degrees Celsius. So here you can see this is your black colored one is the aluminium container. Okay, the area of cross section from inside of the container is given 125 centimeters square. Now the water is contained in the container. Volume of water is given to be 500 centimeter cube. That means if you find the height of the water inside the container, it will come out to be 4 centimeter. Volume of water divided by area, 500 divided by 125 gives you 4 centimeter. All this is measured at 10 degrees Celsius. Find the rise in the water level if the temperature increases to 80 degrees Celsius. The coefficient of linear expansion of aluminium is 23 into 10 power minus 6 and the average coefficient of volume expansion of water is given. Okay, so the new temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. So because you are increasing the temperature, the container will expand, water will also expand. So let's say the new area of the container is A plus delta A and the water is expanding in volume. So let's say the height of the water now is H plus delta H. This is at 80 degrees Celsius. So what are the values of delta A and delta H? So first of all, your change in temperature, let's say theta, that is equal to final temperature 80 minus initial temperature 10, so that is 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, now talking about the container, so change in area of cross section of the container will be how much? Original area into coefficient of surface expansion, and that will be equal to 2 times coefficient of linear expansion of aluminium into theta. So the new area will be what? A plus delta A, that will be equal to A times 1 plus 2 alpha A into theta. This is the new area of the container. So because of this new area and new height, the volume of water will now be what? So the volume of water at 80 degrees Celsius will be what? New area, that is A plus delta A into new height H plus delta H. Okay, but water itself will also expand. Okay, because the water has got coefficient of volume expansion. So the new volume will also be equal to original volume. This is your original volume plus change in volume of water delta V. Okay, so I could write this down. What is A plus delta A? A times 1 plus 2 alpha of aluminium into theta H plus delta H. This is equal to V plus, what is the change in volume of water? V into gamma of water into theta. Gamma of water is the coefficient of volume expansion. Okay, then you could write down H plus delta H is equal to V times 1 plus gamma of water into theta divided by A times 1 plus 2 alpha of aluminium into theta. Now in this formula you just need to put the values and find delta H. So if you put the values, so original height H will be 4 centimeter plus delta H, this is equal to volume V is how much originally? 500 centimeter cube. Units are very important. Divided by original area is how much? 125 centimeter square. Now 1 plus gamma of water is 3.2 into 10 power minus 4 into theta is 70 divided by 1 plus 2 times alpha of aluminium 23 into 10 power minus 6 into theta is 70. Okay, so when you simplify this now, you will get 4 plus delta H is equal to 500 by 125 will give you 4. Okay, here we have everything in centimeter, so here also centimeter cube by centimeter square will give you 4 centimeter. Okay, then this will be equal to into 1.0224 divided by 1.00322. Okay, so from this equation now we can calculate delta H. So delta H will come out to be equal to 0.076 centimeter. However, this answer will not match with the answer given in the book. Why? That is because in the solution of the book they have ignored the change in area of the container. We have taken over here change in area of the container, right? But in the book's solution we have to ignore the change in area. Then we get the solution of the book. So basically, if we don't change the area of the container, then area is not changing, but height of the water level is changing. Okay, this will be equal to V times 1 plus gamma water into theta. So again, when you put the values, area is 125 centimeter square, original height is 4 plus delta H is equal to original volume is 500, and 1 plus gamma water into theta we just calculated. It came out to be equal to 1.0224 into 1.0224. When you solve this, you will get delta H to be equal to 0.0896 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer given in the book, which is achieved by ignoring the change in area, because area change is very small. Okay.